Hello, beauties. How you doing? I hope you all are cool. So, guys, I need to explain this crochet method to you guys because I made a lot of mistake, which I'm going to be bringing out, pointing out the mistake. You understand? I saw people using this crochet method now. Will I be trying this method again? Yes, yes, I'll try it more than 10 times because it's a very easy and lovely, amazing method to use. But as a first time trying this method, the first section I did, don't allow it to be big. My first section was not big, but the second one was big and the third one was bigger. I could have patterned the hair into four. And another mistake I did was I did not have enough crochet hair. I did not have enough crochet hair. If you want to do this method, make sure you have enough crochet hair because you are going to be looping a lot, as in you are going to be crocheting a lot to cover each step. But the mistake I made, I did not have enough crochet hair because I DIY this crochet hair myself. I was like, let me try it out with this new crochet method. Was it a failed? Almost, almost, almost. But as a sharp girl I am, I look for a solution sharp, sharp. You understand? Which you are going to see what I'm trying to say. I'm still rocking the hairstyle a week now. This hairstyle is still on my hair a week now. So the first step you are going to be doing, just braid, as in just braid it, normal braiding. If you have a short hair, you can actually create a little attachment to use to braid because it's very important for your hair to be not too long because of the connecting. I saw people using all these bead crocheting, but you can easily use normal crocheting if you are kind of calm. You can use normal crocheting. So this is the first mistake I made. I crocheted 5 strands of crochet hair on this part, but this part needed more than 5 parts. This part are meant to crochet like almost 10 crochet hair on each part, but I made a mistake. But the first stage it won't be obvious, but the second one you need enough of crochet hair. Then you connect the two together after crocheting on the left side and the right side, then use a band to hold it. That is all. But I did not have enough crochet hair. Then another arc I kept into my, because my hair is a natural hair, thick natural hair. So I section this side, I section it into two, then I braid it into two. That arc is a very lovely and amazing arc. But the main reason why the arc almost failed me was I did not have enough crochet hair. You understand? So that is it. So on this second stage, instead of me to add enough crochet hair, I did not. I was managing the crochet hair because I DIY it myself. I thought it would be enough, but I forgot that like this is a tiny crochet hair. But if you have the big, as if you are using a big braid hair, as in crochet braid, big one. This one is very tiny. So I don't think it will fail you. You can easily use this method I use, but not with the tiny one. So I did the same method on the other side. I braid it, then I start crocheting it. You're going to see how I did the connection. This arc really worked for me to section my hair into two, one section into two. It really works. But the only thing that fucked me up was me not having enough crochet hair. This method, you can't manage crochet hair for this method. In fact, my tutorial is as it almost failed. I was like, no, no, no. And I was doing this hairstyles to rock for my daughter's birthday. It almost failed. I was like, oh no, will I start making another hairstyle again? I have a lot to do. But as a sharp girl, I have. Oh my God. You can easily check my vlog channel out. You see this hairstyle, me rocking it in my vlog channel. My vlog channel, just type Atinuke Sikiru. This one is Sikiru Atinuke. Just type Atinuke Sikiru. Then you're going to see my vlog channel. Then I keep on crocheting the remaining hair. I fix the third a line off. No need of me showing you the third stage. I've already shown you the first and second one. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. I really appreciate that. People even thought my hair was dread, like maybe my hair was dread. I just crocheted the back. They thought it was dread with this hairstyle. This hairstyle came out so amazing. Keep on watching, guys. Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you so much for all the love. I really appreciate each and every one of you for the amazing support. Keep on watching.